Now that we have a solution, let's test it out. So remember I assigned score to 85 in that letter, whatever. Now at the end here, let's just do a console log just for testing purposes to see what letter we got. You got the letter grade, whatever. How do we print out the value of a variable here? We can use string concatenation, remember? You add a plus and then the name of the variable. This way. Okay? So you got the letter grade, whatever. String concatenation. Anyway, let's copy all this code to the JavaScript console in your browser, okay? So let's go back here. Let me go back to Firefox. And I'm gonna paste all that code here. It's gonna be a lot. So here's all the code. Keep in mind the score is 85. Okay? Now, let's execute this. What do you expect we get? We're gonna do, let's walk through it before we execute. 85 is gonna go here. 85 greater than or equal to 90, false. Go to the next else if, check the condition. Is the score greater than or equal to 80? That's true, so this is gonna be letter B. Everything else gets skipped. Then it goes to the console log and it prints out the message, you got the letter grade B. Oh, actually, I had already defined the letter variable in this console, so sorry about that. Let me just go back and just remove this let here with the letter because I have already defined it, and that's going to solve my problem. Okay, sorry about that. Let's go. Okay, you got the letter grade B as we expected. Now let's try something else. Let's go back to the code and change the score right here to a, let's see, 70. 70 would give us what? C, right? Oops. I redeclared score because I had already declared before in the previous run. Sorry about that again. Let's remove the let and just do like that. Try again. You got the letter grade C. Great. Let's try for the F. What score would you give to get an F? Let's try 8. You got letter grade F. Great. Let's try the, what else we didn't try? D. Let's try 69. You got the letter grade D. And finally, let's get the A. Let's do score 100. And there you go, you got a letter grade A. Okay? So we tested all the cases, working okay. Once again, we assumed the score always holds a value between 0 and 100, so we did not account for values greater than 100 and below 0. So this is it for our exercise, and I see you on the next lesson.